me stuck, then you walked away. While I was in the shock, you would drift astray. For all the things you told me that weren't true, I've got one or two things to tell you. You never had your mind in the place I was. You never stood behind when I fell, because you let me be the one, then you leave me blue. I've got one or two things to tell you. For years now, I learned how what you thought was the law, 'cause you said so. I let you break into my own mind. What was mine, now I'm stopping you. I put myself up there to trust you, despite all of the things I've been through. I see now the sweet taste suddenly in exchange for the clean slate. You really got me stuck, then you walked away. While I was in the shock, you would drift astray. For all the things you told me that weren't true, I've got one or two things to tell you. You never had your mind in the place I was. You never stood behind when I fell, because you let me be the one, then you leave me blue. I've got one or two things to tell you. I have no doubt, I see it now, I am better off. Got one or two things to tell you. You really got me stuck, then you walked away. While I was in the shock, you would drift astray. For all the things you told me that weren't true, I've got one or two things to tell you. You never had your mind in the place I was. You never stood behind when I fell, because you let me be the one, then you leave me blue. I've got one or two things to tell you.
On a street in San Marino, beneath the moonlit sky, the tears from her eyes, they came without warning, as I held her in my arms, afraid to drown in memories. The flickering light cast shadows on the concrete. You don't have to worry. You don't need to be afraid of hurting me, 'cause you can't break my heart. It's already broken from the start. A short-lived love story on a street in Italy. Never thought that it would be enough to mend my broken heart. Afraid to drown in memory. The shadows, they are dancing in the street. Maybe I do need to worry. Maybe I should be afraid of hurting you, but you can't break my heart. It's already broken from the start. No, you can't break my heart. It's already broken from the start.
free from everything we were. And it's all because of you, you, you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you, you, you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. Now I've got peace of mind, 'cause I'm leaving you behind. I don't know about you. You were just a waste of time, but I'm gonna be just fine. I don't know about you, and it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second, all because of you. All because of you. And it's all because of you, you, you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you, you, you. It'll be clearer in a second, all because of you. All because of you.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be